y'all, it's Abby, and today I am starting Craugust. I guess that's what we're calling it. Basically, the idea of Craugust is that I'm going to craft daily and post a photo on Discord. I don't know if they'll all be Insta-worthy projects, but I have been saying for the longest time that I want to craft more and have, been crafting on and off, but I thought daily crafting would be a fun challenge, and I'm gonna try to stick with it. Anyway, today I put those there because I made those a while back and I want to make earrings today or an accessory of some sort. So that's there to inspire me. I want to try making something summery. I'm thinking translucent, transparent. What's the difference? Earrings of some sort, like candy, watermelon tones, and I just have a piece of paper here just to make it easier to see. I'm gonna go ahead and tape this down. And I honestly don't know if I'll be making a video every day of Craugust. Some maybe on stream, and I'll try to turn the archives into videos for those of you that don't have Twitch. But if you do have Twitch, I would appreciate it very, very much if you would follow me. I'm trying to stream more, trying to craft more, just trying to be a productive person overall. So I do want to make a necklace. I have this larger ring, and honestly, I feel like I should be separating these into two different projects because I've never crafted 30 days in a row. So maybe this will be tomorrow. Or maybe we'll do this one today and we'll do the fruity summery earrings tomorrow, because this one, I saw these pieces and I felt inspired. These are, I guess it's a nighttime theme. I see rockets, stars, a moon, astronaut, clouds, little doodads. So I thought maybe I'd go with like a navy and do kind of like a galaxy night sky and use these pieces for a slightly three-dimensional piece. But it'd still be flat because I want it to be a necklace. And I have not touched resin in a very long time, so BRB while I gather everything up. I gathered a few different things. I have some chunky glitters here, Recollection Silver and Champagne, and the Patico pigments, a blue, and this one is Pearl Marine Blue. And of course, my resin. Been using this one lately. And I brought some iridescent glitter, extra fine glitter, and I guess we'll see what I can cook up. I've been telling myself that this doesn't need to be perfect. I just need to be crafty every day and try different things, challenge myself. So that's what we're doing. I haven't used my pigment in so long I can't get it open. It's crusted shut. Finally got it. I'm just gonna put a drop in here. And yes, I'm being lazy, just doing it in here. Kind of want a dab of black to make it more night sky, galaxy-y. You know what? I'm gonna go find my pre-colored resin because I think that will be better. Let's go find some purple maybe. Maybe we'll add a dot of black. Let's try a little bit of this pre-colored purple. I hope there's some glitter in this. That's okay though. Just gonna dab some in the corners here. I kind of overfilled this a bit. I don't have a premix black, so I think I'm just gonna do a little bit of the purple and hope for the best. Now I'm gonna go in and pop the air bubbles. We don't want those. And you know what? I'm gonna put a dash of this chunky glitter just in the middle. Kind of attempt to Milky Way it a little bit. Oh, is this not, it's not open. I hope this isn't gonna be too much. I'm gonna use this fine glitter instead because it's already open. It is the first day of Craugust and it is 10:30 p.m. so I'm kind of sort of in a rush because I left it to the last minute because I didn't know what I wanted to make. I don't know, maybe we'll pop a star, but I think it'd be nice to have layers. Think about placement later, but maybe, and then the moon up here, and then we can do little stars. I am going for like a little cluttered, busy look, I think. Time to cure. We'll just pop this in for a few minutes. Look at my lamp. It's dusty because I haven't been using it. Let me go in with another layer. Oh, I'm gonna have to leave a space for a jump ring somewhere, or otherwise I'll use a bail maybe. Oop. Let's place that here. And I have some rhinestones. I kind of want them to go on the top layer, but maybe we'll pop a few small ones in. I have little bits and pieces from different sub boxes and shop updates. A lot of miniature sweet stuff. And you guys should use my link if you're buying from them because I get a very small percentage, but it does help. So if you're looking for resin craft supplies, they are quite affordable. I know the shipping can get a little pricey depending where you are, but being in Japan, it's not horrible. Then maybe some of these micro marbles. Whoa, they're spilling all over the place. I don't think we're gonna be able to see these. These are just clear micro marbles. Let's grab a rhinestone though. It may not show up in the resin. Depends. Acrylic ones sometimes don't, but I feel like I can see it. At least the bottom part. Let's start with that. We'll cure it and maybe dome it over the top again. It's actually kind of hard for me to see too because the camera's kind of far away from me. So it's going to be a surprise at the end for all of us. Here we go. This is just gonna be 10 minutes of me being uncertain of myself. Definitely want more depth. I think I should have mixed a few more colors. I think I'll go in with a darker blue on the back maybe. Let's dome this. I think I'm gonna pop a few more rhinestones in. And how about a rhinestone? Okay, let's try that. One more cure. Alrighty then, time to peel this off and possibly cure the back. I feel like there was enough light to get through. Ah, it's hot. And here it is. I definitely should have used more colors, but I do like how the layers turned out. There is plenty of depth to it. I like the glass glitter, I guess, I think is what it is. The effect turned out really nicely. I domed the back and it's very smooth. I'll probably dome the front again because it's slightly messy, but considering I haven't touched resin in forever, I am okay with this result. I'm gonna drill a hole probably there, turn this into a necklace, I think maybe a bag charm. It could be a cute bracelet too, I guess. Let me know what you would use this as. It could be a keychain too, I guess. But that was day 1. See you for day 2 probably.